let's be honest here. One of the difficult challenge on YouTube currently is reaching the first 1K subscriber milestone. Now, you might be spending hours editing your videos, trying to make your titles catchy, and even optimizing your thumbnails, only to realize your views stay stagnant, meaning you don't even get any views. Now, in this video, I am going to show you the exact thing to solve that problem. Well, many creators will tell you to stay humble, stay patient, keep posting. No, let me show you the strategy. You don't need to stay humble if your strategy isn't working. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then consider subscribing, because right after this video we are heading straight forward into how I got my 4,000 watch hours. Definitely you might also. I'm going to show you how to leverage the YouTube native promotion. So without wasting my time here, I'm going to take you straight to my screen. So first of all, what you got to do is to open your YouTube studio. So I'll open my YouTube studio now and show you the exact steps. Okay, so you can see the YouTube studio here. Now when you open the YouTube studio, what you need to do over here is very simple. Open your YouTube studio. Now you can open it by going to studio.youtube.com over here. Then you enter or log in with your email. Good. So once you are here on your YouTube studio, what you need to do is to click on content. Remember, we are coming to use the YouTube inner feature, okay, the YouTube promotion feature. Good. So you can see at the top here we have inspiration, we have videos, shorts, live, and blah 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 all over here. So you could see we have promotion here. So what you got to do is to click on the promotion. Good. So when you click on promotion, let's wait for it to load. If you already have some promotions, then you are going to see it here. But if you don't have any promotion list and you are now starting a new promotion, you will also see it here. So you can see these are some series of promotions that I have. Yes. So most of them I usually used to run them maybe 1 day or 2 days just for testing, okay, but you can also run it up to 5 days or more depending on your budget, okay. So when you open it this way, let's assume you are now setting up a new promotion. So you just need to click here, new promotion here, then you select audience growth, because remember we are growing the subscribers of the channel. So you select audience growth because without the views there wouldn't be any subscriber. So therefore selecting audience growth automatically means you have selected the video views, okay. Now for those of you that are sending it directly to your website, maybe you need a website list, now you are going to choose this. But for this particular video we are going to choose audience growth. Then you head on to click on next. Good. So at this point you can see some videos over here. So this is just one video that I can also change the video because it has been automatically selected. So you click on change here, then you see some of my videos here where I can just select any. So let's assume I want to use this particular video which has 307 views. So let's click it this way, then you can see the video has been selected. So at this point you can also check how your video will appear in the YouTube FYP. So once you are here, you head on to click on next. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and also like this video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section so we know your thoughts. All right, so once you are here, make sure you choose no, because your video has nothing to do with EU political ads. So you select no here, you click on next. Now once you click on next, here is the budget area where you set up your budget. So at this point you have to set the total budget which will be used within the number of days that you select here. So let's assume I set my total budget to be, let's say, $10, and then today is exactly 7th. So let's assume I make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 12, meaning each day it is going to use up to $2. Yes, each day is going to use $2, multiplying the 5 days to give us the $10. So with this, you are going to get 80 to 250 estimated views. It can be more than that, but this is what they are giving you estimated, okay, at the estimated views. Now, which is going to generate up to 4.6 to 20k estimated impressions. So meaning this impression can cause your view to go higher depending on your content. So before you use any content for promotion, make sure the content is top your niche and talking about your niche, so that anybody that registers or anybody that subscribes to your channel automatically become a lover of your niche or your content. Good. So once you are done here, just head on to click on promote. So when you click on promote, boom, you are done with it. So let me click on promote here. Now you can see. Good. So you can see your promotion is all set. Everything is set yet, and then the promotion is ongoing. So let's see something here. When you come here, you can see that the promotion is currently pending, and then others are currently active. Some too are currently paused. So this is how it is. So give this a few time and it is going to become active. Now before you do this, you should remember that you have to have money, or you have to have funds in your Google Ads account. So without a Google Ads account, you cannot use the promotion feature. Now in my video, I'm going to do another video 1, 2. Now in my next sub videos, I'm going to do another video talking about how you can create the Google Ads account and how you can link your Google Ads account to your YouTube account. So if today is the first time coming across our channel and you love these videos, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and then also share it. Copy the link and share it to your friends so we all work together. Stay safe.